Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Beginning Parenting course offered by the Leadership Society of Arizona. In the previous lesson, we discussed the second principle of the no influence model, which is simplicity structured. We talked about ways in which you can apply this principle into your family and home and parenting. In this lesson, we want to talk about one more way in which you can apply this principle and create a more simplicity structured environment for your children. This final way is helping your children to observe and recognize what we call natural laws. So what is a natural law? A natural law is a pattern in life. A pattern in life that helps you be able to see into the future, because this pattern in life happens everywhere. The best way I can explain this to you is bringing back the water bottle. I told you you'd never forget this because we'll do it over and over again. But this is simple because everyone knows if I release it, it's going to drop. But the reason why everybody can observe that is because we understand the law of gravity. The law of gravity is a natural law. It's a pattern in life that happens everywhere. It doesn't matter what I'm holding or where I'm holding it. If I release it, it's always going to fall. I could be in Russia or France or anywhere in the world. I could even do this behind my back. I could be holding anything, but it will still fall. Now, a natural law is something that's very powerful. Why? Because it allows us to be able to see into the future with minimal information. So for example, with this water bottle falling, you really don't need to know any dimensions or any of the specifications for the water bottle or anything else I would be holding. You don't need to know the exact location or what's going on in the environment to realize that this is probably going to fall. A natural law allows us to be able to see into the future with minimal information. And that is why it is so powerful. That is why it's the most important thing that you can help your children to observe and recognize in life. Now, in the next video you will watch in this lesson, we will explain to you 7 natural laws that we believe are the most critical for your children to understand to be successful in life. The video is actually of me teaching parents just like you in a closing ceremony of one of our programs, helping them to understand what we taught their children over a week-long summer program. Hopefully you enjoy watching the video and you learn something about these 7 natural laws that you can actually go back and help your children to observe and recognize in life. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the next video. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you want to see more, press the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and we'll answer them in future videos.